Hi folks, this is Dawood Islam of the Elite Tigers Group with my review of ThemeStacker, which starts on Saturday the 5th of January 2019 at 7 a.m. Eastern is the launch time. That's 12 noon GMT on the 5th of January. In this review, I will be going through this excellent product, which is for anyone that either designs websites or has their own website or is thinking of getting or updating their own website. And what this product is, it's a superb set of WordPress themes. I will be going through the product in detail, giving my opinions of it, and should you decide to buy from my link underneath this video, you will get an excellent additional selection of bonuses that are only available through the Elite Tigers Group, and which I'll go into in a little bit, but they are only available from me. You won't find these offers anywhere else, so hopefully you will find that a good reason, should you like this product, to decide to buy from my link. The product then, it's a series of 20 WordPress themes for only $17 if you get in during the first 5 hours, I think it is, of the launch. So very, very good set of themes. 20 deluxe WordPress themes, totally done for you. You just need to upload and activate and then you're done. You'll receive instant access and 24-hour support from the vendor, and they're also backed by a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So if you find anything in this product that you don't like, then you can return it without any questions being asked. If you want to use these commercially, then you can easily make anywhere between $100 and $500 for selling one of these sites if you're skilled at design, but even if you're not, you can have a pretty good stab at it. And there's also a bonus of a 12-in-1 super theme, which has got a $39 value. So as I said, there's instant access and there's 24-hour support with this product. I just want to go through and give you an idea of the sorts of niches that you can use these for, or indeed, as I said, there are some excellent ones for your own internet marketing sites. If you are a member of the Elite Tigers Group, by the way, and you don't currently have your own website, I strongly recommend that you have one. There are lots of different ways that you can get one out there. You know, some programs like World Profit incorporate a web design with the package you get from them, and some of those sites are pretty good. I've actually got one myself, although I haven't set it up yet. But I think that you need, if you're a serious internet marketer, you need your own professional website to highlight the programs that you're involved in, to highlight your strategies in internet marketing, and a way that you can promote yourself as a brand. Yeah, it's all very well branding yourself with photos on your splash pages when you're marketing products and so on, but what you really do need is a good stand-alone website, and you can easily design one for yourself with some of these. But let's move on also to those of you that design sites for other people, or that do niche marketing where you're promoting particular products around a certain theme. So you see some of the examples here for business and professional services look very slick. Few of these I'm quite interested in using myself. There's attorney and legal services, food and recipes for those in that niche. Generator Pro, you see I'm alternating between niche and niche for the benefit of our UK and US viewers here. Niche, of course, is the UK way of saying it, and niche is the US way to say it. I don't know what the Aussies say. Is it niche? I don't know. My accent isn't very good either. Medical companies, clothing brands, there's a nice one for Prada. You can have your own magazine online, photography sites, which you'd expect to be good, restaurants, multi-purpose themes there. As I said, 20 themes for less than $1 each. So to me, this is quite a simple one. The creator there, Santosh Singh, and Alex Artnov is the manager of the product. Very good track record these guys have got. And you also get a bonus if you buy just during this sales period. So that's the 5th to the 8th of January 2019. If you're viewing this video during that window, then you'll receive the owner's 12-in-1 theme free of charge. And that is PowerPress, which has previously been sold on the market for $97. Over 1,000 people have actually purchased it at that price. So that's a genuine bargain that you are getting there. So what happens after you've purchased this product? You will be taken to 2 one-time offer pages. Show you the first one is an opportunity to get 23 more premium themes. And if you snap that one up quickly, you will pay, let me just find the correct page here. Sorry about this, guys. Yeah, you will pay between $37 and $39 during the first 72 hours. That is for those 23 more premium themes. And you'll also get multi-user 500 site license upgrade. That's very limited time promo. And then finally, you'll have an opportunity to have full agency rights should you actually want to sell the product itself as opposed to the websites themselves, but to sell the product as if it's your own. That one's a bit specialist, so I'll leave it up to you as to whether you think that that's going to be good value for you. It'll cost you somewhere between $97 and $99, depending on whether you are taking it. So as I said, I'll leave that to one side. I know that a lot of the Elite Tigers group members, that won't really be something that they'll be looking at, but certainly the front end themes, as I said, I would get this even if you're just going to use it to build a site for yourself. And then the one-time offer, if you are planning to launch a series of niche websites, or you're planning on designing for other people, then I would certainly have a serious look at that one-time offer also. And so finally then we come along to my own special bonuses that you can only get from me. Firstly, it's silver membership at Membership Marketers Club, which normally sells for $27. If you go to membershipmarketersclub.com and join that site, you will see that the cost to upgrade to silver there is $27. So we're not making this up. Platinum upgrade at my own site, Downline Masters, one of the 14 sites in the Elite Tigers group. Do check us out if you're completely new to the group, by the way. We've got an excellent package of tools for internet marketers. One of them is a downline builder called Downline Master, which is a site that offers 100% instant commissions. Well, we're offering you a free platinum upgrade in that site, which if you got it from our own one-time offer would cost you $17. If you bought it inside the site, it would cost you $27. So that's a pretty decent deal as well, free of charge. Produce videos for profits, a special bonus report that I'm giving you. Viral Secrets Exposed, learning about the most common problems with viral marketing campaigns. That's a freebie from me. And jumpstart your email list. Who doesn't want to do that? We've got an excellent list building product ourselves, adlistprofits.com, one of my other sites in the Elite Tigers group. Use it in conjunction with this report and you will be well on your way to building a huge list. So as I said, these products, these bonuses only available if you purchase using the link under this video. Well, that's it, Theme Stacker. It does really what it says on the tin, this one. 20 excellent stacked themes for you. Highly recommended. Give this one a 4 out of 5. It's good value for money. And I hope you've enjoyed this review. This is Dawud Islam of the Elite Tigers group with my review of Theme Stacker.